Hey guys, I'm underneath a 2006 Dodge Ram 3500. This is a rear differential, and this is basically just a gasket and fill job. So I just wanted to point out what you kind of have to do for that. You take off all of the bolts on the rear end. So all the bolts all the way around the rear end. There are 13 millimeter socket, nothing special. And then you put a screwdriver in and you break the cover loose. This is the cover, and you put a new gasket on. You got to clean this surface to get the new gasket on. You got to clean this surface so that it's nice and clean and you don't have to worry about it sealing. And then once you put the cover back on and you put all the bolts back in, you kind of do a cross type pattern to tighten it up. Don't tighten them all on just one side. Kind of move around. There's no specific way or pattern to do it. You just start with the top and tighten that one a little bit, and then go to the bottom and the side, and you just move around and you tighten them all up, and then you go around them again to make sure they're all tight. And then you take the plug out of the cover, which is this piece right here. Remove that, and then you fill up the rear end until fluid comes out of the spot where you're filling. And this rear end takes almost 5 quarts. So I just wanted to give you a heads up. Oh, and while it's open and you're in here, you can look around, make sure none of these big teeth are broken, make sure there isn't any shavings in the bottom of the rear differential. Make sure that this oil is actually pretty clean. We're not doing this because the oil was dirty or bad. We were doing it because the bottom end was leaking and it's dripping on the owner's driveway. So just letting you guys know kind of how, just a quick, this is how you do a rear diff. I know you're not seeing every single stage, and you're not seeing me take the cover off, put the cover on after I put the gasket on, and then I fill it up. I'm kind of just explaining it, but that's how you do it. If you have any questions, please comment and I will respond. And I'll also, just so you know really quick, this particular truck takes 75-90 gear oil weight. Just the standard stuff, nothing super special. If you want, you can put full synthetic for a little bit more protection. But anyway, subscribe if you have a chance. Thanks for watching any and all of my videos, and I hope you guys have a great day and a great holiday.